Hi guys, namaste to all of you. These are the new articles added to the store. ये इसका ओवरऑल डायमेंशंस हैं. ये सारे बैग एक स्लिंग के साथ आते हैं. These are all semi casual bags. ये फर्स्ट आर्टिकल है. This is the second article. ये वाइन कलर में बैग है. These are the overall dimensions. इसके अंदर मल्टीपल पॉकेट्स हैं. The texture is very new. और ये सारे बैग स्लिंग्स के साथ आते हैं. This is the third article. This is a very beautiful third article with a flower texture. ये इसका breadth है, ये इसका back है और ये इसका overall dimension है. जो last article what we have introduced is this. This is the second shade for it. White के ऊपर leafy texture. This is again made for a very big renowned brands. और ये इसकी breadth है और इसके अंदर multiple pockets हैं with sling. Have a wonderful day. Take care.